one of the most important cities in southern China and the capital of Guangdong Province, Guangzhou, is blazingly fast, and it has become one of the important bases of international economic, financial, and trade cooperation, as well as one of the important cities in the construction of the Greater Bay Area. Located on the Pearl River Delta in South China and is the third largest city in China after Shanghai and Beijing, boasting a development scale of top 10 cities in the world, with an area of 6,500 square kilometers and population more than 10 million. That makes it ranking second among all cities in China by population. Guangzhou, also known as Canton or Guangzhou in English, was established more than 2,000 years ago as the capital of the Nanhai County by Emperor Qin Shi Huangdi, the founder of the Qin dynasty, 221 to 206 BC. It has been China's cultural and commercial center and played an important role in the economic development of southern China. Recently, one can feel the fast-paced development of Guangzhou everywhere. New high-rises are built, highways are expanded, and more people are visiting the shopping districts and enjoying the nightlife scenes. It is one of the most developed cities in China, with superb transportation facilities and abundant tourist resources that have made it a city of wonder and surprise to people from home and abroad. In addition to this, Guangzhou is also developing its infrastructures at an extraordinary rate, with beautiful modern buildings going up everywhere. These are just 4 ways to experience the beauty of Guangzhou. Its location near Hong Kong also means that it has seen its economy greatly boosted by tourism from that area, with many businessmen making it their base when in Guangdong Province. Guangzhou is a city that has experienced immense development over the last 3 decades. The economy is thriving, with an average annual income of $10,000 for its citizens. Guangzhou has a GDP per capita, PPP, of $14,000, which is the 3rd highest in China. support its growing commercial development, it possesses an extensive system of railways and highways with connections to every province in China. In addition, its infrastructure is constantly being upgraded with new skyscrapers going up at a breakneck pace. Guangzhou, an old port town, is today's economic hub of China. The development of the infrastructure has become one important reason for its rapid growth. In 2003, it was reported that the investment in infrastructure reached $1 billion annually. Many new infrastructures were built. They included highways, bridges, railroads, and airports. Since 1998, rapid urbanization has increased from 50% to 66%. And with this increase, so too have demands on public services. Municipal governments have invested a large amount of funds into improving infrastructure to keep up with these demands. Guangzhou is home to many skyscrapers and world-famous architecture, as well as parks, museums, galleries, and more. Besides its natural beauty, Guangzhou also has an infrastructural system that is unmatched by any other Chinese city. In just a few decades, they have constructed an underground railway network that is on par with those in Europe or America. It covers virtually every part of the city and goes deep into neighborhoods where there are no roads. The subway lines are named after different aspects of traditional Cantonese culture, such as opera or food. Tunnels are an integral part of a modern, thriving city. With their convenience, they make life much easier for the people in these cities. But the tunnels in Guangzhou are unlike any other that you have seen before. Guangzhou is an important port for international trade. It has been investing heavily in water transport infrastructure since 2000. The total length of navigable waterways has increased from 2,000 kilometers to 5,000 kilometers. Guangzhou, an old port town, is today's economic hub of China. Guangzhou has been rising to the top of China's economic league tables in recent years, and the city has been growing rapidly to meet the needs of its booming economy. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.